Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Slack. Once you get Gmail alerts or forward Gmail emails directly into Slack, by connecting Gmail to Slack, you can stay updated and respond quickly without checking multiple inboxes. Now let's set it up by following these few simple steps. The first step is to go to Slack's app directory, and you can do that by going to your web browser on your mobile phone or your computer and visit slack.com. This is the website that should appear. Once you enter slack.com in the search bar, this page will appear. Now here, you're gonna search in the search bar, in the Slack search bar, search for Gmail. Let's see here. And as you can see in the third option, you're gonna find Slack for Gmail. Click on it. Now after you click on it, you will be directed to the Gmail app page. From here, you're gonna click on Add to Slack. It's the green button in the middle. It's still loading. We're gonna reload it so that it appears. So basically, you're gonna click on Add to Slack, and you will be redirected to Google to sign in and give the necessary permissions. As for the third step is to choose a Slack channel for emails. You can pick a channel where Gmail messages will appear. You can do that by going back to the Slack app and pick a channel for emails. And you can also set up private messages. And the fourth step is to customize notification, which is optional. You can filter which email gets sent, for example, only starred or labeled emails, and you can even forward emails manually using Zapier or IFTTT. And for the fifth step is to test the connection. You can test the connection by sending a test email to your Gmail and check if it appears in Slack as expected. Connecting Gmail to Slack keeps your workflow seamless. You'll never miss an important email and your team can respond faster, all within Slack. Remember to use labels or keywords to prevent clutter from less important emails. And that was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.